Hello guys, welcome to Chainewz, your number one crypto channel on YouTube for everything cryptocurrency related. If you're looking for news, tidbits, if you're a learner or if you're well advanced in the world of crypto, we have you covered. So before you go ahead, please, we want you to subscribe to our channel. Yep, hit that button and also turn on the notification bell so that when we drop videos like this and other videos, you'll be notified of our new content. Also, share this with your friends so that they can also be aware of what is happening in the crypto space. All right, so we just saw the price of cryptocurrencies crash and we are wondering why. So many people don't know why the prices of crypto went down. And so today we are here to give you that on this episode. Number one on our list is the war situation. All right, so there are rumors of wars and ongoing wars. The Russia-Ukraine war is currently going on, and that is also very responsible for the downturn of crypto prices. Also, within the week, there was a conflict between Israel and Hamas. There has been a conflict since October 2023, and it just got to new dimensions as Israel attacked one of the Hamas leaders, and there were assassinations. And so the ongoing peace negotiations between Israel and Hamas have stalled, and Iran is threatening to go all out against Israel. The number two reason is because there's a talks of recession. In this year 2024, there have been talks about oncoming recession. The US economy is relatively holding its foot in the second half of 2024, but while inflation has gone down, the progress has not been consistent, and so labor markets have remained stable, but the Federal Reserve has been cautious about pivoting to interest rate cuts. So many economists, including the Federal Open Market Committee members, anticipate a soft landing for the US economy in 2024 that includes slowing GDP growth, but no recession. Number three reason on our list is due to the fact that the chances of Donald Trump winning the US elections have reduced. So it has brought some kind of instability and unpredictability. Yes, President Joe Biden had to step down from his campaign and ended up endorsing Kamala Harris, his vice president. And so that swing alone has brought about some uncertainties, because many people were willing to vote for Donald Trump considering the age difference between him and Joe Biden. But now Kamala Harris is a much younger person and Trump is now the old boy that is trying to run. All right, so the next point we note here is that the US markets, there was a major sell-off, right? And that was due to the fact that there's fear of US economic slowdown, a recession. So the Dow Jones plunged more than 1,000 points because of such fears. Stocks in the US plunged for a third consecutive trading day, with the Dow Jones Industrial Average tumbling more than 1,000 points because there's fear of economic downturn, because there is slowdown in hiring and consumer spending. Alright guys, so once again we advise you, if you like what you heard, subscribe to Chainewz. You can also forward this video to a friend so that they can know why the stock market went down a bit within the week. Alright guys, see you in the next video.